In this tutorial, discover how data owners can predefine workflows that require specific files to undergo approval before sharing them. Data owners can select a file and create approval workflow. Data owner can see the list of other data owners that have the authority to approve the sharing process. He or she also has the option to choose approval type. Workflow process is successfully created. The folder name will appear under Manage Workflow. Sender of that document will be alerted for approval from data owners before sharing it out. Upon proceeding, sender needs to fill in recipient details and check off the confidential notice. Data owners will then receive email notification where they can choose to approve or reject the sharing process. Additionally, sender can send out a reminder to data owners by clicking the email icon. Data owners may review any approval share requests under Manage Workflows. This brings us to the end of the tutorial. This tutorial has shown how users can prevent accidental sharing of sensitive files by undergoing approval workflows before sharing. EasiShare, your go-to enterprise file security solution.